your friend, you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile. Hi guys, how are you all doing? I believe you're all okay. Yeah, you're welcome to Ify's Beauty Corner. If today is your first time, please do not forget to subscribe, okay? And also click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Yes, so on today's video, the title there, I'll be sharing with you a clove body brightening butter. Yeah, cloves is a beautiful ingredient, yeah, to incorporate on your skincare regimen. Yes, if you're looking for that repairing body butter, especially for those who are into skin lightening, you know, there is a certain time you bring out time for bodybuilding, yeah, for skin building. Yes, so I'll be sharing with you a beautiful recipe that you can incorporate in your skincare regimen. Yes, cloves contain a beautiful ingredients that helps to boost skin collagen, repair and brighten the skin. So stay tuned. Like I always say, please do not forget to subscribe. And I also want to use this opportunity to appreciate my old subscribers. Thank you for always coming back. I love you guys. Mwah. Kisses to you all. So let's dive into the video of today. Yeah. So guys, we're on our working table. As you can see, I have cloves. What I have in here is 2 tablespoons of cloves. I want to extract the oil. So this is how I do mine. I'll first of all grind it, then place it in a double boiling method. Yeah, after adding my oil, yes, then leave it to heat up, then sieve it. Yes, I'm trying to make this video short, that's why I'm speeding it up. So I've finished heating up in a low heat. I left it for like 30 minutes. Now I'm sieving out the cloves. Yes, I'm done extracting the oil. So in here I have my cloves oil. The next thing I will be doing now is to melt my butters, oils and emulsifying wax. Yeah, I'm making an emulsified repairing body butter. In here I have cocoa butter, mango butter and shea butter. I've transferred them to another bowl. I will equally be adding the oils and the emulsifying wax in this bowl. Yeah. I'll be leaving the measurements on the screen. Yes. So the next thing now is to add my oils. I'm adding orange oil. Yes, I extracted this orange oil using dried orange peel. Sorry, my battery ran down. I didn't know that my camera has stopped. Yes. So after adding the orange oil, the next thing I added was the cloves oil. I'm leaving the measurements on the screen. I'm sure you can see that. So the next thing I'll be doing is to heat the oil and the butters up so it can be melted. Now I'll be heating it up together with my distilled water so they will heat up at the same temperature. Yes, the oils and the butters and the e-wax
has melted, as you can see. Now I'm adding the distilled water into the oil while I stir gently. Yeah. Using my whisker to whisk it very well before using the immersion blender. Now I'll be switching over to my immersion blender, and I'll continue mixing it till I got to the consistency I want. Yes, so while we mix, I'll be using the opportunity to enlighten you more on the benefits of cloves on the skin. Cloves contains active ingredients that helps build and firm the skin, like manganese, and manganese is the powerhouse for collagen production. As we age, we tend to lose collagen, and also if you're into skin lightening or whitening or bleaching, whatever you choose to call it, you need to make out time to build up the skin. Yeah, because those lightening ingredients we use tends to thin out the skin. So to help yourself, to achieve that healthy looking skin while whitening or lightening your skin, you need to take out some days in a week or in a month to build your skin. Yeah, so cloves contains eugenol, which helps to shine and brighten the skin. Again, it is also good for people with sensitive or inflamed skin. Yeah, people with skin redness, cloves oil helps to calm the skin. It is anti-inflammatory and can provide relief from irritations and redness. Cloves is rich in antioxidant that helps fight free radicals and prevent premature aging. Cloves oil helps also in removing or lightening the acne marks, pimple marks on the skin. A regular use of this clove oil can clear out blemishes and also ensure an even skin tone. It also works as a chemical peel. Yes, it exfoliates dead skin from the skin, leaving your skin fresh and clean. I also added orange oil because orange contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is also a collagen booster. And also, the reason why I added the orange oil is to give this cream or body butter a yellow color. Yeah, so here we are. I mix this with the immersion blender for almost like 10 minutes. Yeah, and I've gotten to the consistency that I want. I stop. Look at it, it's so creamy. So I'll be adding the other ingredients. Yeah, like the next thing I'll be adding now is the essential oils. I have tea tree here. I'll be adding some drops of it. Yes, I'll also be adding rosehip oil. And rosehip oil is also a collagen boosting oil. Yes, I added a few mils of it. I'll be leaving the measurements on the screen. I'll also be adding vitamin E oil. Then after that, I'll be adding some fragrance. Yes, to give it a nice aroma or scent. Yes. So guys, the next thing I added here was my preservatives, yeah, to help preserve this emulsified skin repair body butter. So guys, if you've watched up to now and you've not subscribed, please do that. Okay, yeah guys, I'm through with what I'll be adding in this emulsified body butter. Yes, I usually use this once 1 week in a row in a month. Yes, or sometimes I use it twice in a week, depending on how I want to go about it. The key thing there is to make sure you incorporate skin building or butters or oils into your lightening skin regimen. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not. Yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong.